Guys, welcome back to Simply Victoria. I just woke up and okay, no, that was John. Oh, this is my brother, Junior. Oh. What we have planned today, I don't know what we have planned today, but like I said before, I usually just go with the flow and see where everything goes. Hey guys, so we're going to drop off my sister. Bella, look.
I don't want to. I told you, stupid.
This is my mom. Say hey, mom.
Hi.
Yeah, something interesting popped up this morning. I came into the car and I saw my sister wrote to her teacher. It's not funny, but like it's a good gesture, even though she's gonna be back next term. But yeah, it was so cool seeing it. So her teacher is Mrs. who, Bella?
Miss Zero.
Yeah.
Cola, Miss Cola.
Same thing. And this is what she wrote for her teacher.
You're not so loud.
Yeah. She's in her last year of school, so I think her graduation's in December. Yeah, you can have it back. And yeah. Hey guys, so we're just on our way to the hospital for my mum's appointment. So we're just on the road. Hopefully we get there on time, especially that school on its last day before the school holiday. So yeah.
DJ Bravo, champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion, 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 champion.
So we're at the hospital now. Oh, bloody hell, so bright. Here with my mom.
We're in the hospital.
Yeah, and
Let you know.
waiting to book an appointment for my mom. And waiting still.
Acércate a mi pantalón, dale. Vamos a pegarnos como animales. Si necesitas reggaetón, dale. Sigue bailando, mami, no pare. Acércate a mi pantalón, dale. Vamos a pegarnos como animales. Muévete a mi ritmo, siente el magnetismo. Tu cadera es la mía, pum, hacen un sismo. Ahora da lo mismo, el amor.
Hey guys, we are heading to the shopping center in Browns Plains to buy this homeless person back here a suit for the ball tonight. Say what's up. Did you just poke the finger?
I was just running.
Oh, yeah. That's my brother William. William! Oh my god! Get your way here, ma. And yeah. We're going to Kmart. I don't know where we're going to Kmart.
What's Target?
Huh? We're going to Kmart. Going to Kmart to find shoes because Kmart's got the best deals. Well, you're sitting down, so. Wait, are we going shoes first?
Shoes for what?
She said we're going to get shoes. Why are we in the girls section? It's supposed to be a boy, not a girl. How you feeling, William?
What?
How you feeling? One job, Junior.
Yeah, 5 jobs.
5 jobs.
Scan this thingy. Scan it.
Oh, do you need a bra and a binti, Junior?
I need one.
Oh, for what?
My booty.
So dry.
Ma, I need one, Mom. That's it. Don't be good, baby.
Too late. Hey guys, so we're just waiting outside of Lowe's while my brother and my mom goes in to find him a suit. And me and this little one just sits here.
Yeah.
We're just really tired and we didn't even last in the shop for like at least 10 minutes. I don't even know how long. But yeah, we're just waiting until he finds the suit. So far, he's just looking. He's so picky. But yeah. Wow, Junior. You're very picky there, mate.
Piggy. Oh.
William. Who's picky?
Huh?
Who's picky?
You.
Yeah, go pick. Okay, we're in the 5th shop today. We're in Target. Still looking for something for him to wear. Not doing. Oh yeah. So we're in Target and wait, that's it? Target? I meant Target. We're in Target. Still finding a suit, even though I mentioned at the beginning. But we're still finding it. That's how picky he is. That's how picky he is. Very, very picky. So whoever, like, you know, decides to date him, think again. You're gonna suffer financially, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Hey guys, so we're just having lunch now because I'm hungry. Even my mom's hungry. If you can see her. Wait, where is she? Oh, there. Oh, you're blocking her. And them as well. That's what we're having. Okay, so we're in Coles now. Oh look, capsicum. Gee, hold it.
What? Use a black chicken. Try.
Thanks.
Wait, look
Can you like do it with you too? Gotta like get 3 reds. Stop!
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Cale is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a long, stressful day and we're finally home. So gutted I didn't get to go with my brother to his Preston Laurel ball. And it's not really a big thing, but because it's his first ball, I wanted to be there and take photos of him and see how he goes. But other than that, I have a short video clip. It's something that made me laugh because he's my little cousin. I just call him my little brother because his mom basically raised me up as a kid in Samoa, and having her as my second mother while my mom was still here in Australia. And yeah, here we go. If you guys don't know where in Samoa I'm from, my mom's from Hoka'a, my dad's from Fa'ala in Savaii, Fa'ala Palauli, I think that's how you pronounce it. See, this is what happens when you're not more of your dad's side. I'm more of my mom's side because I'm really close to them. So yeah, more town all day. Not jokes. But yeah, well that's all for me. I will upload another one tomorrow. I know I don't get much subscribers, but anything for the lols, especially for my family around the world. But yeah, if you want to continue watching my videos, please subscribe. Just that red button, you know, down there, just press that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram down below, the links down below. Can't be bothered saying it because it's so embarrassing, my username. And yeah, hope you guys have a lovely night, and hopefully tomorrow there's photos of the ball and of my brother as well. Okay, laters, tufa soifua.